everyone, welcome back to my channel Count Your Blessings. Hope you all are doing good. Well, today I'm taking part in the Inspired DIY Challenge hosted by Elena from Elena Jenkins DIY and co-hosted by Michelle from Michelle's Cosy Home. I'll link their channels and the playlist in the description box. Be sure to check it out for all the other lovely inspired entries. Well, for today's for my entry, I have decided to recreate something that I saw on Mom from Momdas Life Handmade. This was her entry for the Coastal Decor Challenge, and this was the Anchor Lighthouse. It looked really very pretty and I really wanted to recreate it. But as usual, I didn't have the time to do it. And so this was a wonderful opportunity for me to do it. And you know what? When I was trying to find the template for this Anchor Lighthouse, I found out that Amazon was selling it. And I tried my hand at it. So let's get started. The first thing that I needed for this was cardboard, and I reused this box. I took a printout from the net. I screenshotted the image from the site and I took a printout of it, and I'm placing it on the box and I'm cutting it out. Next, I used a combination of scissors and blade to cut it out, and since the edges were rough, I wanted to give it a smoother look, so I wrapped it up with masking tape. Now that was done, next for the base coat, I spray painted it blue with this Design Masters Robin X blue color. It gave it a nice base coat. After that, taking the pattern, I drew it on top of the image and outlined it with pencil. Then I used a mixture of acrylic colors and watercolors to paint the details. For the edges, I used navy blue. For the doors, I used black mixed with navy blue. And for the stripes, I used this metallic color. And then, just like the picture suggested, I used a little bit of rope that I had on hand. I hot glued it. And then I'm reusing this frame that I already had done a DIY with. I removed the coat, and you can either just place this on the frame and leave it as is. This is what she had done. Or you can go one step further and add a nice coat to it. I love me some inspiration quotes. So I took a piece of paper, drew some lines to write in a straight line, and wrote it with basic sketch pens. The Lord is my light and my salvation, whom shall I fear? Psalm 27 verse 1. My soul is anchored in the Lord. Hebrews 6, 18 to 20. I love these two verses and I thought it went well with the design. And that was it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Smile, Jesus loves you. Oh yes, please be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye-bye.